She say 0 off rip. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we about to do me basically trying to do my makeup. I would say for the first time, but like I've done my makeup before, but it never really came out good because I was always missing this one product. But today I'm gonna try and do my makeup because my birthday is coming up and I want to do my makeup for my birthday. So this is gonna be me practicing. We about to see if I'm gonna look like a clown or like how it's gonna come out. So let's get started though. Okay y'all, let's get started into this voice clip. But basically I just put some primer on my face. Is that what it's called? And y'all saw I used the Neutrogena one. Now I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I generally do my eyebrows every day, so yeah, I just did them how I normally do them. I feel like I should have did them a little bit more. I guess this voice clip gonna be me kind of critiquing myself and what I thought I could have did better. Then I used the Anastasia like brow gel, whatever, and then I put concealer. I used LA Pro underneath my eyes, and I just lined it up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in to the best of my abilities. I feel like I should have put less at that point. I feel like I should have put less. I also had like one shade darker. I might have should have used that one, but I don't know. Then I went in and I added a darker concealer, which is the one y'all will see. I used it later on for contouring. That's what it's called. But I added that on top, and at first y'all saw I was gonna use the little stick, but then I decided to use the actual brow pencil. And I saw in some people's videos they just use their foundation on top, which I should have did that, because after I put that on I realized that I actually hadn't put on no foundation. And then at this point, well, no. Okay, yeah, at this point I just put it on my face or whatever, the foundation. I put it all over my cheeks or whatever, my chin, and what is the area in between your lips and your nose? I don't know, but I put it there as well. Then I went in and added some concealer that's more so the actual tone of my skin, because I got 3 different concealers. One that's lighter, one that's kind of like the same as my skin tone, and then one that's dark. So I used the one that's like the same color as my skin tone underneath my eyes. And I don't know why, I feel like I use this little sponge thing for everything. I feel like it blends better than the brushes, or maybe I just don't know how to properly use the brushes, or they're not good brushes. I'm not too sure. I think the brushes are good though. I think it's just me. And then I went and I used that darker concealer again. Like I said, I used this to kind of contour, I guess you would say. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or if there are actual contouring products out there, but that's why I don't use the brush right there, because it be looking like what's going on. I just be confused. So I went in and I did that, and I didn't feel like I did nothing too wrong with this unless I put them in the wrong spaces, and if so, I'm not sure where they're supposed to go. I know depending on like your face shape and how you want it to look, you're supposed to put it on certain parts, but honestly I just went on Google and typed in like where does contour go, and I looked at the pictures and I saw where the dark spaces was at, and I did that. And then this is when it hit me that I hadn't even put foundation on my forehead before that, so that's why y'all see me putting the foundation in now. And I tried to use the brush first. Y'all see, you know, I don't know if you're supposed to just keep blending with the brush, just keep, but I find it easier to use the sponge, so that's what I do. I was just rushing it into my edges, not brushing, but trying to, y'all know, make it blend into my edges so it don't be like a line of demarcation. And I also put some of that, like the excess of it or whatever, on my eyebrows. Then I went in and put this dark concealer on my eyelids. I'm talking about eyebrows, last time, eyelids. But I did this because like it was light from the concealer, and I had some eyeshadow to put right there. I don't know what made me put that right there, but I didn't have no eyeshadow that was darker, so I went in and I put the concealer on there first, the dark concealer, and then I went in and I added some eyeshadow. Oh, this is blush, sorry guys. I added the blush on my cheeks. I do feel like I added like way too much blush for no reason. Like I kept going back in, but that's what I did. So now I'm just adding it in. And then it was nothing. I didn't put anything on the little sponge. I just blended it more with that. And then that's when I went in to add eyeshadow, which was it was dark, but it was lighter than the concealer that I had put on. And I tried to blend that in on my eyebrows so that you wouldn't really see that like little line where the light concealer was. Some people like that, but I don't really. Not on myself at least. Or not me doing it myself at least. Then I went in and I added like a kind of iridescent brown as well, and I added that on top, but I tried not to go like up until where the other eyeshadow was, so I just wanted it to be on a little bit, so like if I was to blink you could see it. But yeah, then I had went in and I added some more brown on top because I realized that I made the iridescent one go too high to my liking. I really need my lashes done. I haven't had my lashes done in like 4 weeks, so I was just brushing them out. Then I put foundation on my chin and in between my lips and nose because I feel like there wasn't none there. Then afterwards, I was like, I shouldn't have did that, but it was what it was. So I tried to blend it in, and as you can see, I can see like my cheeks being red, like almost too red. I don't know, but. Then I did my lips. I outlined them with brown. Y'all know the little whatever. Put clear lip gloss on. I do have this new lip gloss that I actually like better, but I could not find it. Time for this video. Okay, y'all. This is the final look with the ring light. Ignore the glitter because like that glitter came from this little thing up in here. Like you can see right here. I don't know, like, sometimes I even do my eyebrows better than this without no makeup on. So I want y'all to rate it down below in the comments. I would give it like a 6. My eyebrows not really matching. And yeah, I don't know what it's missing, but I feel like it's missing something. Like this look like it needs to be blended more. But like, how much can you blend? We finna have my roommates. I'm finna have my roommates rated. So I rated a 6. I got 3 roommates, but only 2 here right now. So we finna have them rated. Oh, okay. Let me show y'all. This is it with the flash, not the flash, but the ring light. And this is it without the ring light. So this is just regular lighting. This is ring light. Okay. But we gonna have them rated because I said 6 because like my eyebrows look weird, which is so stupid because I do my eyebrows frequently and they be looking right. And I feel like I could blend more in certain places. But it's like, I don't know. Oh, I know what I forgot. I didn't put no setting powder or no setting spray on it. But I feel like I don't need to because like I'm gonna wash this right off. Okay, these both my roommates, they about to rate my face.
Look at her first.
It's zoom in on you. Okay, this is my day 1 of me practicing for my birthday makeup.
Rates from 1 to 1.
She say 0 off rip.
Okay.
Okay, rate 1 to 10. It's not funny, y'all.
What did she do? I give it like a 6.
Okay, that's what I said.
Okay. You ready for me?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Put your... Okay. Why are you looking at the camera?
I want to see your face.
Okay, go back. You didn't do your eyebrows yet?
I did do my eyebrows.
Okay. I said like a 6.5.
You thought you ate that.
Wait.
Okay, so everybody says 6. Some saying it's a little dark, so I should have probably got a lighter one of these because they said do 2 shades darker, but like I did the darkest. I grabbed the darkest one they had. And this is concealer, but I used it as I
forget what it's called, but it's not the C word because I didn't see none of that in the store and I don't ever see it. Yeah, if y'all do makeup, leave me some tips down below, please, right now, because my birthday is in 14 days. I'll probably just get my makeup done, and I don't need to fill my eyebrows in some more, they said. I think because I did them how I like do my eyebrows every day. But that's it.